Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to place this website link on the top of your profile. You can directly navigate to your website on clicking that, like that. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing here you need to do is just click on this me section. Just click on that and click on view profile. And here you can see the edit icon. Just click on that and scroll all the way down, and here you can see add a link that will appear at the top of your profile. Just place your website link. This is the random link I'm placing here. Just click on that, and here you can just write visit my website and click on save. Now here you can see you are able to see the website, and just click on that and you are able to navigate to that website as well. This is just a demo website I'm just keeping. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.